In this video, I will show you how to make at least $1,000, just like this, using only this Google trick I'm about to show you, and this brand new website. And basically, all you will be doing is you will copy articles from Google, and then sell them to this new website. This is 100% legal, and even beginners with no experience can still do it. It doesn't matter where you're from. If you have a computer or a smartphone, you will do this. Now, the first thing you will have to do is go to Google News. If you never used Google News before, don't worry. All you have to do is type in the search bar, Google News, and click on the first website. Scroll down a bit, and as you can see, there is a lot of articles here on different topics, like business, entertainment, sports, and so on. And as you already know, this articles is what will make us money. And don't worry, you are not going to do anything complicated. You will just copy these articles, then sell them to the website and earn money. And I will show you how to do it the right way. As you can see, I have already made some decent money with this strategy that I will show you today. You can make more than these results if you give it more time. As for myself, I have other businesses, so I don't have a lot of time to spend on these websites. And don't worry, because I will show you exactly how I made that money, so you can also do the same. I won't hold anything back. Each one of these articles can make you up to $30. If you just do this method with 4 articles each day, you can make up to $100 per day, and even more. Now, if you scroll down here, you will see more articles that Google News will suggest for you. What we care about here is these categories. The same categories will also be shown up here, as you can see. So, just choose and click on one of these. The one I recommend is the health category, so go ahead and click it. Scroll down a bit, and as you can see, there is unlimited articles for you. They also get updated consistently. Every single hour, more articles will show up here, so you will never have a problem with finding a new article. Now, you can just choose any of these. It doesn't matter which one. Just make sure it's in the health category. Let's say this one. And here is the article. So now, we are done with the first step, which is how to find articles. You also know how to use Google News now. So, the next step is we will need to change these articles that we get from Google News. We don't want to just copy these articles from Google News and then sell them to other sites as they are. We need to change them first. But don't worry, I will show you how to do that easily. We are basically going to use a bot, and this bot will do the work for us. This bot will use artificial intelligence to rewrite these articles and make them unique with just one click of a button. It's very easy to do that. Just type in search bar, bot, click on the first result, and it will take you here to this bad boy. Now, before I show you how to use it, let's take a look first at how much people are making with this method. This is Fiverr.com, and as you can see, people are making some serious money over here. But we are not going to use Fiverr because it's so competitive. There is also a whole lot of freelancer websites that are making a lot of money with this method, but we are not going to compete with them there. I will show you the best websites later in this video. Now back to the tutorial. And like I told you before, all you have to do is copy the article, paste it here, and this bot will do the job. So, let's go back to this article and then copy everything. In my case, I will just copy a little bit, because this is just an example to show you how everything works. Now, go back here and paste the article, and then just hit this green button where it says paraphrase. It will take a few seconds, and your new article will be ready. Now, these 2 articles are the same subject, but they are 2 different articles now. And obviously, the one we will use to make money is this one. You can do just the same thing to all of these other Google News articles. You can also upgrade from here if you want your article to be 100% perfect. But if you can't pay for that, no problem, the free version will do a good job too. Now, we are at the final step, where I will show you where you will sell these articles and make money from them. Okay, so now I will not just show you one website. Instead, I will show you 3 websites so that you can even double your earnings. And pay attention, because the third website that I will show you is my favorite one, because that's where I was able to make those good earnings. By the way, if you are still watching until now, comment your country below. So, website number 1 is called scripted.com. This website has been in business since 2006. That means it's going to be 100% legit. What I also like about this site is they accept people worldwide. Just click the first link, and as you can see, they have already worked with the biggest companies in the world, like Adobe, Adidas, LinkedIn, and other big known companies. You can scroll down and read a little bit more about the site, just to get yourself familiar with it. Now, to start making money with this website, don't click here, because this is for people that want to buy articles from this website. We don't want to do that. we want to sell our articles to them. All you have to do is type the name of this site in search bar, and then type, become a writer. Click the first link, and then click apply now. Fill up this information here, and hit create an account. Now, all you have to do is click here, where it says begin assessment. Then, answer these simple questions, and you will be accepted. Now, I will show you the second website first, and then I will show you my favorite one. But make sure you subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. So, this is the next site. It's called iWriter.com. By the way, this website is working in my country. There is some countries that they don't accept people from. So, if this site is working for you, then good for you. If not, no problem, because next method will work worldwide. By the way, if you have any questions or you don't understand something, just ask me in the comments. My goal with this channel is to help people make money online, especially beginners that have never made any money yet. Now, scroll down to get more information about the site. As you can see, they already have over 8 million articles written here, and more than 4,000 jobs were posted in the last 30 days. To become a member on this site, just scroll down and click on Become an iWriter today, and fill up this information here. It's very easy, so I would just leave you do it by yourself. Okay, so now I will show you the last website or method. And pay attention, because this is where you can make most money. So, we are not going to use any special website here, but we will use a bunch of websites. I will show you in a moment what I mean. Now, I want you to go to the search bar and type in how to eat healthy. You can type in anything. Just make sure it's something in the health category. And then, just click on one of these websites. Let me click on this one for example. As you can see, they have articles, just like Google News articles. Most of these website owners hire people to write these articles for them. So, your job now is to reach out to these website owners so they can hire you instead of hiring other people. You can do this with any website. Just scroll down to the bottom of the page, and you will find their contact information there. As you can see, we have their Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. You can reach out to them in any of these. Some websites will also have their email there. Just click here and send them a message like this. You can take a screenshot now for this message, so you can use it later, but I recommend that you change some words. The reason this last method is better than the other two websites is because those two websites will have a lot of people applying for them, whereas for the last method that I've shown you, you will find unique websites that no one has approached before. And that makes it more successful. And there is also no limit on how many websites you can reach out to per day. So that's it for today. Now you can click to watch one of these videos to learn more about how to make money online. There is also more videos that I will upload soon, so make sure you subscribe if you don't want to miss them. You can also let me know in the comments if you like this video or dislike it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.